Hello, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good and happy. So, today we are going to begin with the lesson number 27, that is writing stories. How to write the stories. Here, when you write a story, remember that it should have a good beginning. जब आप story लिख रहे होते हो, आपको remember रखना, आपको ध्यान रखना है कि इसकी एक अच्छी सी beginning होनी चाहिए, good middle होना चाहिए and good ending होनी चाहिए. Good beginning क्या होती है? A good beginning should include who is involved. कि कौन involved है? Where the story takes place, कहाँ पे story मतलब ये चीज हुई थी, and what problem that the people in the story need to resolve. Now go to middle. Middle में क्या आना चाहिए? The middle of the story answers the question what happens. Middle में आता है कि क्या हुआ था. The characters are in the story are dealing with conflicts and working towards solution. And ending में क्या होना चाहिए? Good ending होती है a strong ending resolve the conflict. Resolve करती है उस conflict जो problem है उसे solve कर देती है. The resolution does not always favor the main characters. कभी main characters को favor नहीं करता who might lose. But the conflict is also always resolved. A story may be developed from a given outline, main points, and unfinished outline. Your own imagination. अपनी imagination से भी given outline से भी unfinished outline से भी so main points से भी हम develop कर सकते हैं एक story को. When you develop a story or write your own story, keep the following points in your mind. आपको कुछ points को अपने mind में रखना है. If outline is given, try to understand the whole story. अगर outline given है आपको पूरी story समझनी है. Between use और बीच में आपको अपने words की use करना है. Story must follow the outline. Story को अपने outline को follow करना है. Do not change the order of sentence. Otherwise, the story may not give ideas it want to convey. आपको क्या change नहीं करना, order change नहीं करना sentence का. नहीं तो story exact idea नहीं दे पाएगी जो उसको देना है. You may introduce a dialogue of conversation. आप dialogue या फिर conversation को introduce कर सकते हो wherever required in order to give a realistic picture. Create a background that matches the characters and the story. अब वो एक background create कर रहे हैं तो match करे characters को and story को. Try to begin the story in an interesting manner to arouse the interest of the reader. आपको begin करनी है story किसी एक interesting manner में जिससे एकदम जो story पढ़ रहा है उसे एकदम interest आ जाए. If you are reading a story, think of a title. If you are developing a story, think of a title. अगर आप कुछ story develop कर रहे हो आपको एक title के बारे में सोचना है. A catchy title is the life of a story. Catchy title होना चाहिए जैसे life of a story हो गया. Stories are told in past tense. Stories हमेशा past tense हो जाएगी कि जो चीज हो चुकी है वही तो बताएंगे ना. So use the tense correctly. Read the simple guidelines to develop a story of your own. Like ask yourself, आपको अपने आप से पूछना है who is in the story, कौन है story में. Write the name of characters. Characters के names सुनने उनके appearance सुनने हैं especially. And और कोई भी speciality लिखनी है उनके बारे में. What is the story about? किस बारे में है story and conflicts क्या क्या है उसमें. Write the central idea of the story. आपको central idea लिखना है story का. Remember, stories are fabricated around the central idea. Story fabricate होती है एक central idea के around. Where does the story takes place? आपको story हुई थी. Select proper background. आपको proper background को select करना है जो match करता है characters का and the central idea. Where does the story takes place? कहाँ पे story हुई थी? It may be particular year or time such as day, evening, night, etc. कुछ भी हो सकता है. Why is the character in this situation and why does the character make certain choices? This part is middle of the story. जो part है middle होता है story का. Try to make this part more interesting by creating an exciting situation. इस part को interesting बना सकते हो. Create करके exciting situations को. How is conflict resolved? कैसे conflict resolved होता है? How does the story end? और कैसे story end करती है? Give an expected or unexpected end to your story. आप expected or unexpected end दे सकते हो अपनी story में. You must have read the famous story Jack and the Beanstalk. On the basis of same story, read the fairy tales. Now, Marlin the Gentle Giant. Here is a story. So read this. Once upon a time, in a land in the clouds, lived a giant named Marlin. He grew his crops of beans and sold them for gold coins. He used some of the gold to buy a harp that sang and a hand that laid golden eggs. Unfortunately, Marlin did not have many friends. People were often too scared to come close to him. Marlin was a gentle but lonely giant. वो एकदम gentle और lonely giant था, बस लोग उससे डरते थे उसके पास आने से. One day, the face of a boy appeared at the top of an enormous beanstalk. At first, he was too scared to come near, but Marlin showed him his singing harp and the hen which laid golden eggs. The boy Jack Crumb soon became a frequent visitor to Marlin's house. At last, Marlin thought, I have a best friend of my own. Marlin even had made a set of special bells for Jack to wear whenever he comes to visit, just in case Marlin did not know where he was and accidentally stepped on him. One day, when Jack came to visit, Marlin was making hot soup. As quick as wing, Jack snatched the harp and the hand and the scrambled down the beanstalk. When Marlin found his friend and his treasures gone, he wept bitterly. His tears flowed out of the clouds and down the beanstalk. Jack was swept from the beanstalk and the treasures were slipped from the hands. Jack's mother caught them as they fell to the ground. There you are, you naughty child, she cried. Now I know what you have seen up to taking what isn't yours. Jack's mother locked in his room to learn his lessons. Then she climbed the beanstalk with the harp and the pen. When she reached the top, she saw Marlin sleeping quietly on the lawn. He woke as she came near, and she held out the harp and the hand as a sign of friendship. I'm sorry for what my son has done, she said. I will make sure that he is punished. Marlin said that he forgave Jack, and Jack became a frequent visitor to Marlin's house again. He worked hard every day in the Marlins in the bean field. In the evening, they enjoyed soup and talked as good friends do. Together, they and Jack's mother lived happily ever after. So, like this, you have to try a different ending of the story. You can give a new twist from the point Jack's mother, Jackie mother की points आप new twist दे सकते हो and return half and the hands to Mali. Like this, you can prepare a story by your own. So that's all for the story writing. I hope you liked the explanation of this lesson. See you in the next class.